beach. And then look what I saw right here. This thing is sick. It's crazy. Corbo seats. So clean. Look at the interior, bro. Sheesh. Sick. This interior is so nice. Wonder who drives this thing, but this thing is sick for sure. Heck yeah, super clean. Hey, yeah, we got him playing.
Yo!
Sheesh!
Yeah, he want smoke.
He said he wants smoke. Bro, come on now. For 100 right now.
Bang!
Oh!
Bang.
They playing for 100 right now. They playing for...
Keep stepping back, boy.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my, can we just get a replay of that real fast?
Oh my god. I don't know.
Bruh. Bruh. Bro. Oh. And one. Yes, sir.
Whoa.
Yes, sir.
Get camera shy.
Jeez.
Get camera shy.
Don't be shy.
Trees in your face. Watch cameras in your face. Oh.
Dang, so you owe him 100. What happened out there, man?
Yeah.
Tell me what happened out there. You gotta explain yourself.
I mean, 3 slices of pizza.
3 slices of pizza. That's what he's blaming it on. Alright. Hey, victim number 2?
That's
crazy. That was
Oh my god. Hey, yo. Who is that? Can somebody tell me who this is, man? Somebody tell me who this is. It just pulled up to the bar. What's up, dog? What's up, bro? Chilling, bro. Man, we out here kicking it, man.
Oh yeah,
kicking it. Hey, 3 dribbles. 3 dribbles. 3 dribbles. Ooh. Ooh. He's out here.
Send invites.
Say invites. Where we at right now?
Right now we're in La Jolla.
La Jolla. We at La Jolla. Pull up. If you're a hooper and you're in San Diego, pull up here. Let's get some games. Let's get some games in.
You know, I was here before his 1 million subscribers.
For the milk. I just want to. What happened to that game? Let me talk to you first. What happened to the game, bro?
Which one? I beat you in the 1-on-1. I beat you in the second 1-on-1. I beat you in the 2-on-2.
I beat him once.
That's not me.
Y'all out, bro?
I'm gonna catch you, Jordan.
Alright, bro.
I'm not big.
Alright, G.
Tomorrow, maybe?
Maybe I'll take you. Yeah, I'm saying.
Alright, G.
You guys coming tomorrow?
Yeah, we'll be here.
You know I'm pushing the foreign out.
You pushing the foreign, bro? Dang.
Come on now.
Must be nice, dog. He said, go fast. Y'all didn't peep my new whip either. You already know. This is the new one. Replacement for my other daily.
Hey, let's do this India though. Let's do this India.
Hey, relax, bro.
Hey, you ain't ready for this one.
Hey, what's up with this dude, bro? What's up with him, bro? Jeez. I'm just here for the vibes, dog.
Hey man, this is a lot.
I'm just here for the vibes, bro. Look like a little resort, bro. Look, got the koozie over here. Koozie. Turn that thing up, bro. Turn that thing up, bro. Turn that thing up, bro.
That thing be banging.
Heck yeah. We got tacos. Some Modelo time food.
Hey, my pot's probably gonna come.
Where?
Yeah.
Hey,
He wants to come there.
let me get him on the boat.
I had a squad.
Oh yeah, appreciate it.
Oh, is that palm tree?
Yeah.
Nice.
You got a palm tree on? Let me see.
That's sharp.
Can't see it high.
I don't know where.
I couldn't see it. Yeah, that's tight. Yeah, that's tight.
concrete.
Yeah, you do gotta watch it where your house is on.
No. What's the one? What's the one with the P?
That's blood.
Yeah.
Well, the one with the
I know you're
P
talking
on
about.
it. And they think that they're pyro.
Yeah.
San Francisco.
I don't know
Giants.
which one it is.
Nah, that's SF, like just a regular.
Yeah.
You're talking about just a, with a P. Like,
There's a P. I don't know what. He don't go nowhere.
Brown and yellow.
they ain't gonna think he's, you know.
I know, yeah.
No, they're not. They're not. Especially South Central is not.
But LA, you know.
Yeah. South Central.
Charles B in LA.
If y'all go to sleep, I go walk around South Central.
What you say?
Charles,
I go around
don't
looking
get caught slipping, Charles.
I gotta go.
Where you from, cook? Where you from, cook? Where you from?
This is what they do is they cut it off from the source. That back the security guard, they have like a little valve. And even though you might have to be on, but they cut the source off so you can't get anything going. Because I just turned it on and it cut off.
Oh.
And they've always done that because it cuts off at, it's over at 11 o'clock.
They cut it off.
Yeah,
It's so hard.
exactly.
It's so quiet over here. Yeah.
We out or what? Or y'all want to stay?
But if you like still water, you got it made.
We've been in here.
All right, boys and girls. Today is the day that we finish this up. Hold on, let me pause this music. All right, so yeah, today is the day that we're gonna be finishing this up. I have full motivation to get this exhaust done. As you can see, I kind of have the other pipe down there. Where is it at? It's right there. Right there, if you can't really, yeah, you can't really see it. Right there. So we're gonna be connecting this exhaust to it. Then the car will be fully done, because as you know, the intercooler piping is fully done. We have all the clamps that we need to go ahead and, you know, mount that on. So yeah, this car is going to be done today. I'm not taking any exceptions, so make sure you drop a like and stay tuned for this video. It's going to be real interesting, and we're going to be finishing this car up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this working. I'm waiting for my boy to come home. He should be home here soon. But as soon as he pulls up, we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. And I'm tired of having this car sit on jack stands. I'm pretty sure you guys are too. Let's go ahead and get this car finished up. This is the most crucial and like most time consuming. As you guys know, I've been working on this car for like 3 months now. So it's definitely time to get this thing back on the road. So again, stay tuned, drop a like if you like the video, and subscribe if you're new.
Yo.
This fool eating out of the...
Chill. Hold on.
Finally, down pipe is fully on. Can y'all see that connection down there? It's fully tightened. Finally, bro. Let me give you the under view right here. So we got that, the wastegate, and then just the wastegate lines. But yeah, everything's fully tightened now. Finally, bro, after 10 years of building the car, it's finally done. So now we can start buttoning some other stuff up.
Hey. Get back. There we go.
Turn on.
You know what's crazy? He just texted me.
Who?
Mason.
And say what?
I'm trying to go to Nice Fest.
Yeah, we
Go ahead.
registered yesterday. Never mind. Damn, bro, the battery just died.
No, it didn't.
Oh, because you're matching some too. Oh. It don't matter, bro. Just play it.
Your power steering.
Oh. Hey, bro, that shit idle for a long time, bro. That wasn't me, yeah. That shit's me.
I think that's what subtracting the flies.
The power steering?
Yeah. Yo.
Alright, so as you see, it just turned on. We got pretty much everything hooked up besides the intercooler piping, but I don't know if you'll be able to see the exhaust, but the exhaust is pretty much hooked up. Just gotta have them weld that one little thing down there, and we in business.
Yes, sir.
Tap in.